Today I'm going to show you how to link to a section on the same page using Google Sites. This is a great way to improve navigation and let visitors jump directly to the content they want to see. First, start by adding a button element on your page. This button will act as the anchor link that takes users to the desired section. Once you've added the button, give it a meaningful name that clearly describes where it will take the visitor. Next, click on the link option in your button's settings. This is where you'll connect the button to a specific section on the same page. You'll see options to choose headings or sections. Select the one that matches your target destination. Finally, click Insert to embed the link into your button. Make sure to preview your site and test the button to confirm it works correctly. And that's it. You've now turned a simple button into a smooth in-page navigation tool, making it easier for visitors to move around your page. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting to make your Google Sites pages even more interactive.